Okay, today we're going to have a look at the Year 9 sample numeracy test. This is similar to what you find in exams such as naplan. Let's have a look at the first question. We have that Jane bought a packet of 12 cards for $15 and we want to find the average price of each card. So what we have to do here is simple. All we have to do is take the $15 that we pay for the 12 cards and divide that by the number of cards, and we get that for each card we pay an average price of $1.25. Move to the second question. What number is missing from this number sentence? We have 5 times some number plus 15 equals 85. 5 times some number, let's call it y, plus 15 equals 85. So in this case we need to solve for y. We can start by subtracting 15 on both sides, so that we have 5y is equal to 85 minus 15, that is equal to 70. And now to have y by itself on the left, we just divide by 5, so y is equal to 70 over 5, which is equal to 14. Okay, so we have 1.25 in the first one and 14 on the second one. For the third question, we have the arrow points to a position in the number line. With what number is at that position? It is very clear that the position is minus 2.5. The fourth question states, Peter wants to paint his bedroom walls. What information will be best to help him decide how much paint to buy? Obviously, it's not the volume of the room, it's not the capacity, also it's not the perimeter of the walls, it's the area of the walls that we need to know. Now for question 5, we have the top speed of a wombat is 600 meters per minute. What is top speed of a wombat in meters per second? So that's question 5. So in question 5 we have that the speed of the wombat is 600 meters per minute, and we want to transform that into meters per second. Since we know that every minute has 60 seconds, all we have to do is take the 660 meters per minute and divide that by 60 seconds. That gives us 11 meters per second. For this one we have 11 meters per second. Now for question 6 we have a shop sells new and used computers. The graph shows the price of 2 similar computers and their age in years. By looking at the graph we can see that computer B is older and also cheaper, while computer A is younger or newer and the price is higher. We have, for the first item, we have computer B is older and less expensive than computer A, which is true, so that's our correct answer. Now a water tank has a capacity of 6.25 kiloliters. Kilo means 1,000, and how many liters does the water tank hold when it's full? So here we have 6.25 kiloliters, 6.25 kiloliters. We have to multiply that by 1,000, or we have to move the point 3 spaces to the right, that is 6,250 liters. So our answer is this one here. Now this block has 6 spaces, which are number 1 to 6, and we want to find the probability of rolling a 2. So the probability of rolling a 2 is 360 over 1,000, which is if you simplify that, you find that the probability is 9 over 25. Now question 9 states a rule for y in terms of x is y equals 6 minus 4x. When x equals 3.75, the value of y is. So let's have a look at that. Y is equal to x. Y is equal to 6 minus 4x. 6 minus 4x. And they want us to find the value of y when x equals to 3.75. So we have y is equal to 6 minus 4 times 3.75. Now, if we evaluate 4 times 3.75, we can actually use a little bit of algebra. We can break that number into 4 times 3 plus 0.75. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus, and 4 times 0.75 is equal to 3. So we have that y is equal to 6 minus 15, or y is equal to minus 9. So we go, our answer is minus 9. Which of these percentages is closest to 7 over 9? Well, that one we can actually use a calculator. 7 divided by 9 is 0.77. So the closest is at 78%. For question 11, we have James has to find the value of this expression without a calculator. And then the question follows with which calculation should James do first. Since we have 9.5 plus 6.5 under the square root and in brackets, that will be the first calculation that we need to find. For question 12, we have so draw this plan of a square block of land. All measurements are given in meters. The area of the lawn in square meters is, well, it would be x squared minus 6. It's very clear. X squared gives us the area, all of this area, and 3 times 2 gives us the area of this dark rectangle. So the area of the lawn is actually the whole area minus the area of the dark rectangle, which is x squared minus 6, 2.4.